What's up, guys? What is up, FireYourTrainer.net? Welcome to 2021. It's been a minute since I've done a video for you, but I felt like now was probably a good time. It's January 2021. It has been a very, very long 2020. So I wanted to give you an update. A few things have happened. In March of last year, I decided to take some time off doing my channel. I hurt my back, which really sucked. I actually herniated the nucleus of a disc, and I had a lot of muscle problems that went along with that. I wound up going to an orthopedic doctor, took x-rays. I found out that I had scoliosis, which sucks. I've got actually biconvex scoliosis. So I had a dextroscoliotic curve in my thoracic spine and a levoscoliotic curve in my lumbar spine. The dextroscoliotic curve in my thoracic spine was actually, it was like a 9.6 degree or 9.5 degree curve, which I have managed to straighten up 2 degrees with some corrective exercise. I decided in 2020 to become a corrective exercise specialist, so I did. Yay! And I wrote myself a program and fixed my spine. I also found out that I have an extreme hypokyphotic curve in my back. So that means that I am the opposite of 99.9999999% of people. Instead of candy caning like this and being like, hi, I'm like this, hi. So that is my next project on my back, is to fix my hypokyphotic curve. So, March, this all happened, right when
COVID struck.
So, literally 2 days before I had to stop training because of coronavirus, I hurt my back. The whole last year has been devoted to learning, adjusting, adapting, and growing. I now have a studio space, which you can partly see. Share my studio space. Look at all of that. Look at that. Squat rack, monster rack, treadmill over yonder, and voila, my desk. It's wonderful. It's great. It's nice to have a studio space. I am now to the point with my back where I can start actually training again properly. I've been doing sandbag carries every day for about the last 2 or 3 weeks. I've been doing pretty hefty weight lifting for about the last 2 months, which I'm very happy about. I'm finally getting back to a place where I feel comfortable in my own skin. Makes me really happy. I miss training so much. Going through corrective exercise, man, it's something else. Like when you're really, really deep up in it, you're going through like 5 days of foam rolling and stretching, and then these wee activations where you're just like brain body connection, learning how to fire. For instance, for me, I was a lopsided mess and didn't even realize it. But now, after the last 2 or 3 months of really, really getting back into the swing of things, I'm feeling a lot stronger. I'm feeling a lot better. I actually have been able to restore some curve to my upper spine. I don't know if you can see the progress that I've made, but I'm pleased with the way that it's coming. Hopefully, I'll be able to share some more progress pictures with you. So where are we headed in 2021, everybody? 2021 is going to be a great year. It's just going to be fucking fabulous, right? Maybe, we'll see. I don't know. I don't think 2020 is going to be, or 2021 is going to be too much different from 2020, honestly. So anyway, corrective exercise, it's helping a lot of people, and I feel like I've truly found my calling. You'll see that what I've been doing over the course of 2020 is uploading about 200 exercise library videos that are between 30 seconds and a minute in length. They're all exercises that I have recommended, have done for my website, for my challenges, for my clients, for whatever. So now I've got like 230 videos up there. This is just the beginning of a really good thing. I've tried to start posting some videos to FireYourTrainer.net. I've split the website in half. I've got now half devoted to corrective exercise and half devoted to true FireYourTrainer.net stuff, AKA Foundation Phase 1. Phase 1 foundation is about teaching your body to stop dieting, teaching your body to regulate and find its natural set point healthily Stop counting calories, stop dieting, get out of that just chronic restrictive mindset, rebalance your hormones, and possibly lose weight, though that's not our goal. Our goal is really just to find optimal health and fitness. Phase 1 foundation absolutely changed my life. I was a chronic dieter for like 10 years, constantly counting my calories. I was constantly just shaming myself for eating things and feeling like I ought to be better or be more or eat less or run more, work out more. I actually have an exercise log from when I first started trying to lose weight. Every entry was do better tomorrow, and I was trying to eat less than 1,000 calories a day and work out 60 minutes a day. The quality of my intake was shit. Ultimately, I just wound up getting fatter. I like berated and belittled myself so much that I had no self-worth, no self-efficacy, and I just ate my problems away. But along that path, I've actually developed a sense of what health and wellness really is, and it is not what fitness industry would lead you to believe. Sorry, fitness industry, whatever. It's not supplements and counting calories. It's actually treating your body with respect, eating healthy, prioritizing protein and produce. It's not dieting your face off and making yourself feel like shit because you don't have a six-pack yet. Just saying. Anyway, that's FireYourTrainer.net as I go off on all of these fucking tangents. It's something I believe in very heavily, and I will continue to work on it and to promote it. This video is dragging on, so I'm gonna go, and happy 2021, y'all. I'll be back. I'll keep posting videos on the site, and oh yeah, members on the site. Happy days! We're throwing at you a workout of the week, starting last week, actually. We're throwing some Metcons at you all through the spring and into the summer. Sandbag training, barbell training, dumbbell training, tube band training, resistance band training, loop band training, you name it. The equipment is there. Foam rolling, tutorials, it's all of it, everything. But these workouts are brutal. Believe me, I've been through like 3 of them myself, and I just can't stop because they're awesome. So workout of the week, posted every single Monday for members. So if you want to get in on that, join the site, FireYourTrainer.net. Subscribe, like, share, comment, do the social media things that you're supposed to do for this Insta influencer or whatever the fuck I'm supposed to be. So, bye guys!